Hey folks, welcome back. In this session what we're going to do is continue with the WordPress build. In the previous session we set up your domain, we set up your hosting with WP Engine. With that came a default install of WordPress. Now what we're going to do is basically prepare the WordPress, so if we need to clone the site to deploy for our blog on our blog.domain.com, we can. So in this project, I'm basically looking at setting up a shop that sells drones. It will start off as an affiliate store, but if it proves to be working, we will then proceed to either become a wholesaler or find things we can sell to the drone community, the people who like drones. That could be spare parts, could be whatever. We've got to find out what works in the market, and we've got to see where the gaps are in this industry. So let's get started. This is a fresh install. As you can see, there's no posts on the pages. We've got this home, and that's installed by the Any Video Silo plugin. So when you install this will create this home page, and it's set to the front page. What we're going to cover now is basically the setup and what we've done for this particular construction. So as you'll notice, I'm going to go to the plugins page, and the plugins we're going to use will be WP Forms. I'm going to deactivate this. This came with the theme that we're using. I might use it, I'll have to look at it. We're using the Eliminator. This basically helps us do a drop and drag building. We've got Instagram feed that comes with the theme. We've got WooCommerce that comes with this theme. We've got WooCommerce blocks that comes with this theme. The variation swatches that come with this theme. We've got the Woodsy site library. This is the theme that we're testing for this build. You'll notice that I'm on the actual sandbox. This is my testing area. We've got WP reset, that if we make mistakes and things aren't nice while you're building, we reset this database and start again. And then we got the WP video silo builder. So what we're going to do now is we are essentially going to go into our appearances, go into Woodsy site library, and I'm just going to have them quickly set up the default pages we need for our e-commerce store. Once that's done, I can have this build backed up and stored, and then I can utilize it anywhere through this build. So I'm going to click start. Now on some other themes you're using, it might not require this, but with this particular build I was interested in this theme. It looked quite cool, and I thought I'd just use it. So we go start import. I'm going to pause this video for a few seconds. This might take a few minutes, and then when we get back we will look at what we've got.